If you're going to the All-Star game tonight, make sure you're in your seats early because Kyle Schwarber is leading off. Brandon Marsh is also starting for the National League.
Yeah, he'll bat seventh and then play in right field. And Christopher Sanchez will be on the mound to start the game for the NL. Meanwhile, the All-Star game is just the latest event here in the city of Philadelphia that's putting us right the center stage. And after all the wait and anticipation, it's just now hours away.
Yeah, with the home team and city well represented in tonight's matchup, the fans have a lot to cheer for.
That's right. Action News reporter Corey Davis joining us live from the ballpark. He's got the best assignment this morning, and he has more details on tonight's big game. Hey, Corey.
Hey, good morning. We're down here in the field. Of course, fans will be filling the entire stadium here at Citizens Bank Park. It's all decked out in the red, white, and blue colors for the All-Star game here. Phillies, once again, the home team for the All-Star game. And they're sending 6 players, too. I want to give you a look there at some photos of the selfie there the 6 players took there and had some fun with Christopher Sanchez, Kyle Schwarber, Brandon Marsh. They are all starting, representing the National League. And then you have the 3 reserves as well, Bryce Harper, Jesus Luzardo, and Johan Duran. Having a lot of fun there, getting ready for their All-Star experience. Fans will have a lot to look forward to over the course of this whole event when they're in town. Bringing back live here, giving you a look at what the players are going to be wearing, and also fans can buy too. We have the official team cap, so all of the Phillies will be wearing this team cap here, and then you have other teams as well who will be here represented during the All-Star game. Every team will have a version of this, and of course we like the Phillies cap the best. I like the red and the stars on there. All of this looks really good. This will cost you $39.99 at the team store, which we will be popping into over the course of the morning. Also giving you a look here at the official on-field gloves that they will be wearing. This pair is actually too small for my hands, but I'm sure the players definitely have various sizes. But this is pretty cool though. I like the colors, the red, white, and blue, the All-Star logo on the front there. They'll be wearing this on the field. When it comes to entertainment, we of course have Citizens Bank Way, where anyone with a ticket will be able to take part in that. 5 o'clock is when the gates open, and then they have Jennifer Hudson, who will be on the field singing America the Beautiful. But the national anthem will be sung by Philly native, Grammy winner, godmother of soul, Patti LaBelle. She'll be singing the national anthem right out here on the field. We know that is going to be absolutely amazing. So a lot to look forward to. The game will get started at 8 o'clock. Once again, 6 Phillies will be representing the National League for the All-Star game. For now, reporting live here in Citizens Bank Park, Corey Davis, Channel 6 Action News.
Well, wait a minute. Now I need a ticket, Corey. We got Patti LaBelle, Jennifer Hudson. Maybe I'll just go for the first 15 minutes. And who?
Yeah, and Boys to Men, can't forget about them. They will be performing in the 5th inning as well. So Philadelphia has a lot of representation.
Wow. Okay, now we got to get some tickets. I'm feeling a little sick for tomorrow. Corey, thank you.
Same.
Before the first pitch flies tonight in South Philadelphia, MLB's biggest stars are stepping onto a different kind of stage. The 2026 All-Star Red Carpet Show is happening this afternoon on Independence Mall, where players will trade their jerseys for their best looks. The event starts at 2 p.m. Tickets to the fan pens have already been claimed, but first come, first served bleacher seating and standing room will be available.